Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Facebook Messenger on your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. First you have to just open up your browser and open up your Facebook, and when you open your Facebook you will see the option of Messenger. Just click on the Messenger option and then it will show up your charts. So just wait for it and you will see the option of the see all in Messenger. So you can just click on that and then it will be opening your Messenger app. And now here how you can add the app on your PC or laptop. So you need to just click on the three dot option. You are seeing you will also find this option of install. So when you click on it, go to the save and share option, and here you will find the option of install Facebook. So you need to just click on the install, and if you don't find here, just click on the install Facebook you are seeing on the top, and now here just click on the install. Then it will start installing into your PC, and this process will take some time, so you need to just wait for it until this was complete. So now you are seeing the Facebook, and the Messenger was also added to your desktop. The shortcut was also created to your desktop, and if I open up, and here you will see the Messenger of the Facebook was added, and you can use like the app, and you can also use the Facebook here in your app of Messenger. So guys, this is how you can download and install the Facebook and Facebook Messenger on your PC or laptop. And guys, if you find this video helpful, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video.